back to Play with Ray Ray. Today we're going to be playing with slime. I'm super excited. You're going to see the names. I need my slime. I know. Maybe you do it, but I don't know. So, let's get playing. A 1, a 2, a 3. This is my first slime. She's my favorite. Her name is Blue Love. Why her name is Blue Love is because she's amazing, she's my favorite, and she's blue. Oh, mustache. And yeah, she's amazing. She's great. She can't do a lot of techniques, but she has a nice poke. Listen to this. Nice poke. Nice poke. Nice poke. Now I know she's not very interesting, but wait up. There's more. There's more. A 1, a 2, a 3. Can you even see my face? This one stretched. Wow, I don't even know how to show you. This one. Really cool shoes. This one's name is Easter. Really cool. So let's see. Stretch her out. Let me show you how long she can stretch because she can stretch a lot. So let's see. Let's do this. Easter, you got this. I know maybe I talk to the slime. I do. Okay, maybe I don't. Or, okay, I do. Stretch long Easter. This is how Easter stretches. So, if you think it's weird, well, it's not me, that's weird. Okay, it's me. She's really unique. She can do a lot of cool things. Her name's Easter because I got her around Easter time. She came in a bowl that looked like an Easter egg. It was really cool. But now she doesn't have that bowl because we switched bowls. So, yeah. We switched to bowls. And I want to show you this because this is really cool thing that she can do. She has a really nice crunch. Let's see if we can get her nice crunch. It's not always first time a charm, maybe third. So let's just see how. Oh yeah, maybe it was first time a charm. Speaking of first, she's not the first. Oh, and also. So speaking of, she's not the first, we have to move on. First means 1, so yeah, a 1, a 2, a 3. This is Rock. You probably already know why her name is Rock. She looks kind of like a rock. Yeah, I know, crazy. She looks kind of like a rock, but she's not. She's slime. So, at the end, I'm going to show you their containers and their old containers. And, Rock had an interesting container. I mean, now it belongs to Easter. And, yeah, they're just crazy. But, Rock needs to show her what she can do, so let's do it. She can stretch out really not long. I mean, she stretches long if you force her. She really does give you a workout. She's stretching. The more you get to know her, the more stretchy she is. And I will say this. She can break easily. You just have to be gentle with her. So yeah. See, like if I pull really hard, she just snaps. But not to fear. She comes back together. But now we have to move on because that was all our tricks. So, you want to count with me? Okay, a 1, a 2, a 3. This is Pinkie Pie. If you watch My Little Pony, you know who she is. But I got her from My Little Pony. She's cool-ish. We're going through favorites again. I think I said that. I don't think she's slime. I got her at California. But if you just like separate her apart, she won't come back together unless you really try. But the only way she'll come back together is let me get a cup. Where's the cup? Okay. You take a cup, put it on, take another cup on, and just like smush it, and shake. And then she'll come back together. Watch this. See? And she comes back together. So yeah, that's all her tricks. I mean, she has more. Those are on her old container. I don't think I want to show you her old container right now because it's for the end of this video. Or yeah, that. Now, time to move on to the next one. This is our last one. So after our last one, we will be moving on to showing you the containers. The containers are really cool-ish. So, get with me if you want. A 1, a 2, a 3. So this is my last slime. Her name's Glow. Glow, I got her in California too. She doesn't hold up her shape. Why her name's Glow is because she glows in the dark. If you make her. First you have to put her by a light, wait for a long time, and then she glows. But yeah, her Glow. She's like one cow. With pink pie. I don't think I told you this, but I'm in a bath. So that's where turn on the water. I don't want to do it right now because then I'll get wet. So smush it together. Then come back together. So now it's time to show you their containers. So I'm going to do one by one, and then I'm going to show you their old containers. So, do you want to count? I think you want to count. So, a 1, a 2, a 3. Let's start with Blue. My favorite one. This is Blue's old container. But now, this is Glow's now. That's her name. We can't change that because I wrote it in Sharpie. And now her new home is this. This is upside down. Blue Love. Blue Love. The L's erased, part of the blue. And see, this is her new container. She loves it. It's slick. So let's tuck her out so we can do the next one. Oh, you want to count? Obviously. A 1, a 2, a 3. Now let's do Pinky. The marvelous Pinky. This used to be her old home. See? Shape as an Easter egg. This is not Pinky. This is they're both pink, okay? See? So this was her home, her original home. But then I changed her home to this. If it's her rainbow. These are her little Easter bunnies. If you're asking me, did you name them? I did not. Fits her way better, and I gotta figure out. So, next in line, that's Rock. Oh, yeah. And you thought I was going to count by 1. A 1, a 2, a 3. This is Rock. So, her new home. You want to see her old home. So, This is her old home. And her new home is rock. Yeah, this is her new home. I'm assuming you want to count, so let's do it. 1, 2, 3. So next up is Pinkie Pie. Now it's Pinkie Pie. No, I got it mixed up last time. This was her old home. See, listen. This is her talent, one of her talents. Let me get it to work. Yeah. Makes a fart noise. And her new hole is, oh my God. Is this hole. So yeah. Maybe I didn't pass it. Yes, I know you want to count. 1, 2, 3. Now it's Glow, yes. This was her old home. That's her old home. This is her new home. So that's the end of this video. And if you want to stay with me for putting them in their containers, sure.